Every leader and coach faces the same challenge. How do you help people grow in a way that actually works? The Skill Wheel Matrix is the solution. The Skill Wheel Matrix is a simple framework that helps you understand two things about the person you're coaching. Do they have the skill and the will? These are your top performers. They know what to do and they're excited to do it. Empower them with autonomy, assignments, and chances to lead. These individuals have the ability but lack motivation, maybe due to burnout or misalignment. Inspire them by offering new challenges. They're motivated and ready to learn but don't yet have the skills. So, teach and support them, providing training, guidance, and feedback. This group struggles with both ability and motivation. Clarify expectations, identify root causes, and create a development plan. So how does this help in real coaching conversations? Asking questions and looking at behavior and metrics helps you understand the needs. Instead of using one approach, adjust your style based on their needs. People change. The matrix helps you stay aligned with those evolving needs. The Skill Wheel Matrix works because it treats people as individuals. It helps coaches build trust, reduce frustration, and improve performance. Understanding both skill and will unlocks your ability to coach with clarity, empathy, and impact. The Skill Wheel Matrix is a roadmap for helping people thrive. You can create a culture where people feel supported and understood. Thank you for watching.